Occasionally, what will happen is I run across a jam that is truly exceptional. This is called, well, that's German, Danish Garden Organic Blackcurrant Fruit Spread. I got it at Big Lots for $2.50.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living!
When I opened it up, it's just simply delicious. I just wish you could have a bite of it. I'm going to put a little bit of it on this killer 21 grain killer bagel. I'm going to save this half for later. So let's talk about it real quick. It's got organic blackcurrant fruit spread. Its ingredients are organic blackcurrants, 50% organic cane sugar, water, gelling agent, which is usually pectin. It says suitable for vegetarians, vegans, and celiac. I don't know what that means. Refrigerate after opening and consume within 2 weeks. It's never going to last 2 weeks in my refrigerator. It has per teaspoon 40 calories, no fat, 9 grams of carbohydrates, 9 grams of sugar. That's a little high, but then it's a jam, you know, not using that much, and less than 1 gram of protein. It's very nice. It looks like it's USDA organic, and on the bottom here it's got a funny looking leaf, which I have no idea what that means. Hey, if I knew, I'd tell you. I'll have to look into that. Anyway, it's just basically a jam, but a very nice jam. And then you get to have the really cool little bottle at the end with the cap. Of course, I gotta figure out what I do with it. Alright, so it's this simple. Normally this would be like this, but I like these so much I took a bite of it already. And that's it right there. And I do try to do this on a plate, so that way you don't have a mess like over here. But what can I tell you? These things happen. Alright, this was a really short video. Thank you very much for watching it. We look forward to seeing you in our next one.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.